Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest household essentials. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen hygiene with a spotlight on the best granite composite sink cleaner available in the market. Introducing the KOHLER K-23730-NA Cleaning Agent Cleaner. A revolutionary solution for maintaining the pristine condition of your granite composite sink. Let's delve deeper into what makes this product a must-have for every kitchen. Crafted by KOHLER, a leading global lifestyle brand renowned for its innovative kitchen and bath solutions. The KOHLER K-23730-NA Cleaning Agent Cleaner is specifically designed to cater to the unique needs of granite composite surfaces. Here's why it stands out among the competition. Say goodbye to stubborn stains, grime, and grease with this non-abrasive cream-based cleaner. It effectively cleans, polishes, and protects neorock and other composite surfaces, leaving them sparkling clean. With its convenient squeeze bottle design, applying the cleaner is a breeze. Simply dispense onto the surface and wipe away dirt effortlessly. Not only does it clean, but it also provides a protective layer, shielding your sink against scratches and scuffs, ensuring long-lasting durability. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear what customers have to say about their experience with the KOHLER K-23730-NA Cleaning Agent Cleaner. With such glowing reviews, it's clear that the KOHLER K-23730-NA Cleaning Agent Cleaner is a game-changer in kitchen maintenance. And there you have it, folks. If you're looking to keep your granite composite sink in pristine condition, look no further than the KOHLER K-23730-NA Cleaning Agent Cleaner. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful product reviews. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.